My name is Dr. Alexander Krakovsky. I practice cosmetic surgery in Southern California. I'd like to introduce you to one of my patients.
Well, we've come full circle with, I guess the bad procedure, and gone through the repair of the bad procedure, and then, come to the proper procedure. I've got to tell you, everything is just exactly the way I wanted it to be. It's worked out really well, and I feel much better about everything now, and having gone through everything, now I'm a much more satisfied person as a result. Procedure of the fat injection was something that several doctors were recommending, or at least presenting as a good, viable option to have the augmentation done and to have it stay more permanent. Well, I found that wasn't the case. So when I had the injection done, probably not several months later, but not too much later, I noticed that there were some bumps and inconsistencies and lumps and odd shape going on with me, and I wasn't obviously very happy about that at all. So that's something that they didn't tell me about. The first thing I wanted to do was get this corrected. So I found an excellent doctor in Dr. Krakovsky. He had a wonderful website, easy to follow. Right away, I thought, well, maybe he would be able to correct my situation first before looking at doing what he was recommending as the proper procedure, which would be to have the skin graft of my own skin, having that put around the penis and having it done evenly and consistently, and then maintaining that shape and that form for good. So now that we've had the fat removed, and Dr. Krakovsky has done a wonderful job in doing that. He got all of the fat out with very little abrasions, or the healing time after doing this removal procedure was very quick. They took before measurements, and then they take after measurement, or in between, and then they'll take after measurements as well. So that also is a good way to be able to gauge that you've accomplished something, not only in length but also in girth, and that is something that's very satisfying, because you can actually see on the tape measure the results that you've gotten. So I'm really looking forward to the second procedure and having that even show even better results. So it's been about 8 months now, and everything is really performing well. The healing only took about, say, 4 months altogether, and then after that we started to do, or prior to that actually, we started to do some stretching as well, which helped to enhance the results of the procedure as well. So everything is worked out, everything's healed, everything is nice and symmetrical, and I've got my shape and form, more length, more girth, everything that I desired to do in the first place. And so I'm really satisfied. I'm glad I found you, and I'm glad that you really knew what you were doing and how to also repair the first procedure that I had and take care of that for me. So thank you very much. I appreciate it, Dr. Krakovsky. So I would say, if you're looking at having this procedure done, rather than go through the turmoil and the negative steps that I had experienced, I would highly recommend going to Dr. Krakovsky because of his experience and his track record, and again, backed up by the photographs, the results, the testimonials that are in his website. I would definitely recommend going this route and going with Dr. Krakovsky and having it done right the first time.